Hey guys, Tim here. So this is a video that I promised in my mechanical keyboard video that I would do an entire room office setup tour. This is a video, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below, and let's get right into it. All right guys, so here is the main office setup. So obviously this is what it looks like when you first taking a look from inside my door. As you can see here, so if we enter in the office, we'll start on the left side. Over here, we have obviously a Lego collection. I do have a Philips Hue light back there. So this is just a Star Wars poster. I have some random boxes down to the left, but yeah, I just have a Lego collection here. Obviously I'm a big Star Wars fan, big Disney fan. You'll be able to tell that from the, you'll be able to tell that from everything I have in my office. But yeah, so this is just a basic overview of everything I have on these shelves. These are just my main display shelves. I have a bunch of different pop figures here from different movies. I've been collecting pop figures for probably 5 years now, and my collection has grown quite a bit. I have probably 250 pop figures. I don't know if I really should be admitting that, but yeah. So then I have my main Lego setup here, or Lego display here. These are my main ones. I do have one that I haven't built yet. It's the Mandalorian Starship. I have a lot of pop figures here that are from Disney, Haunted Mansion, then just random other Disney ones I have here. And then I have Disney World attraction posters right here. These are obviously my favorite rides that are at Disney right now. And then I have obviously more pop figures. This is going to be, when I do use a webcam, this is my main display in the background. So this is what people will be able to see off camera, or when I'm on camera, which to be honest rarely is. Also a lot of different pop figures here that are displayed. Some Office ones, a lot of Disney, and then some Onward, and then two Office right here. Some of my favorite ones. This is a pegboard I actually just added to my setup. Right now the plan is to display keyboards on it when I do get more keyboards built. I just have controllers here, and then I have some extra lightsaber stuff, which I'll touch on why I have lightsaber parts in a second. But yeah, so I'm going to store switches there. I have these to display keyboards when I do. I just have controllers on there now, an Xbox and a Switch controller, and then just a fake plant with some extra parts. And then I also these are like kyber crystal storage things that came in, and then I have some extra keyboard stuff. So this is a switch puller, it's a keycap puller, and also some lube. And then I have more pop figures right here. This is the left side. So this is actually going to be where my streaming PC is and where I do a lot of my work at. But yeah, this is more pop figures, Mandalorian pops here. And then I have some Gundams that I used to build. I haven't built a ton recently, but yeah. And then I have, some Demon Slayer display stuff there. And then I have obviously a computer bag, trash can, all that. So this is going to be my main streaming setup. I know it looks probably a little bright on camera, but I do have everything Philips Hue set up in this room, so everything's actually voice controlled. Right here is just a Lego bonsai tree that I got. It was kind of hard to get at first, but it hasn't been super hard now. And then here we have just another pop figure from Indiana Jones. And then we have my work laptop here, just do basic work on there. And then this is the mouse pad that I actually got from Novel Keys. I forgot the name of it, but it came with a plushie. It's for a good cause, so I ended up buying into the group buy for it, and it just came not too long ago. And yeah, it's just super cute. This monitor is a 1080p 240Hz Asus ROG monitor. I don't remember the exact model name, but I used to mainly game on this, and then obviously when I upgraded to 1440p, this became my work/stream monitor. So looking at Excel spreadsheets in 240Hz has never been better. But yeah, I absolutely love this monitor. It's good for what it was, but 1440p is far superior, and that's just never going to change. I forgot the name of these lights, but this is before LifeX and all these other companies started getting into these type of things. So these were when kind of nano leaves became popular. I got those. It's just a cheaper variation. I do want to wall mount it, but I haven't right now. And then this right here, this is one of my favorite things on display in my office. It's a lightsaber that I built in Disney World. I absolutely love it. It has 2 kyber crystals here. It's a pin that I got when I built it. It's just so cool. It's just one of my favorite things to display. I do have a blade for it. Right now it's purple. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't have to feel like setting it up. But yeah, it's just one of my favorite things. And then behind it, I have my stream PC. It has a 7700K and a 1660 Super. Super nice for what it is. I just need it for streaming, and it works entirely fine for me. And then above here we have a Nintendo Switch where I do play some Nintendo games. Not too many. I have streamed some Nintendo games in the past, like Mario Kart. But yeah, this is my Animal Crossing Edition Nintendo Switch. I do love it. It's just looks awesome. And then up above, I do have some Star Wars posters. They're just visit planets like Visit Hoth, Tatooine, Endor. Yeah, they're just super cool. I got them off Etsy. Yeah, they're super nice. And then, so if we move, this is my main gaming setup. We're gonna move past this right now. This is where it all kind of just started. The Dragon Ball Z pops are like the first pops I started getting, and this is where the kind of addiction grew. Down here I have obviously more Dragon Ball Z, and then I have some anime pop figures. I know a lot of people may say, oh, why don't you display them in the box? Well, you know, I don't want to. Ignore the cables right there. It's kind of gross looking, but yeah, this is my main pop figure display, some Dragon Ball Z stuff. And then I just have some other random stuff here to display, and then right here I have Pokemon cards underneath, and then I just have a bunch of storage. And then I do have a little cork board here, just some pins from Disney World and also from Loot Crate when I used to subscribe to them a long time ago. This is a picture of my cat. She was so goofy, I loved her. But yeah, and also a Deadpool poster. So this is the main gaming setup. Let's touch on the chair first. So I actually might do a review of this chair. It's the Steelcase Series 2, and I absolutely love it so far. I've had it since Sunday, and it's just been super nice to have. I just love it very much. Headphones are the Sennheiser HD 560S. Great headphones. I haven't plugged into my Go XLR. I'll touch on that in a minute. And then I have here, obviously, the keyboard that I did a video on previously. I love the keyboard very much. I want to do more custom builds because they're just so much fun to do. I have a Glorious Model O- with a Glorious Model, well, not model, but a Glorious bungee, and that's just, it's super great. It, you know, if you're playing on mouse keyboard and you're forced to kind of use a wired mouse, that would, you know, I would suggest getting a bungee. It just makes it feel wireless. Let's touch on the main monitors. So this is the Asus TUF VG278Q. It's 1440p, 165 hertz IPS monitor. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. I would highly recommend to anyone who needs a monitor. And then this is just an Acer 1440p 75 hertz monitor. I think it's the VG270Q or something along those lines. Yeah. Then we have a water bottle, obviously. The desk mat is from Drop. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it's a nice desk mat. I've been using it for a while now, and I absolutely love it. Back here we have my Go XLR, and then we have my Funko Pops, some of my favorites. And then above it we have some pictures from Figment, which is actually from Disney World and Epcot. Obviously, we're not going to talk about that right now. And then we'll get to the main gaming PC. So sorry for the reflection, but for this, it's actually a 3080 Ti and a 5800X, and this thing is a monster. It's just such a good PC, you know, has such good performance. It's in the PCO11 dynamic case, which obviously is a super popular case. I absolutely love it. Let's touch on the desk real quick. So this is an IKEA Girton. Unfortunately, they don't make this desk anymore. It sucks. It's really such a good desk for what it was. Only $100. You can pick up an Alex drawer and a couple legs for like $150. It was so good, the deal you had. And then I didn't touch on this desk. This is just a countertop, a butcher block countertop. I didn't stain it. I probably should have. But yeah, it's just a butcher block from Home Depot, and I can actually link it in the description. I think they still have them. This is a Jedi Holocron. It makes some cool sounds. Like if you put the Kyber crystals in here, they actually play different characters. It's super neat, super cool. And then I just have a iPhone wireless charger. And then the speakers behind there are just some cheap Logitech speakers. Obviously just need it for, you know, listening to YouTube videos and such. Let's touch on the mic. So the mic here is the Rode Pod mic, and it's on the Rode PSA1 boom arm. And these two are a great combo. Audio sounds amazing on them. Everything, I just absolutely love them. And then behind here, sorry for the cables, I have an Amazon Echo, and then this is a Philips Hue. Every light in here is Philips Hue. I'm deep into the rabbit hole of Philips Hue lights, and I have a lint roller for my mouse pad, and then obviously my router and everything down there. But yeah, this is my main gaming setup. Just such a comfortable space to be in. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully this gave you guys some inspiration and, you know, allows you guys to make some sick setups with what you have. And if you guys want to see, there's my corgi. He stole my cable. Nemo. No, he doesn't want to listen. I think he's going deaf. Oh, there he is. But yeah, so this is my main setup. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So guys, that's the end of the room setup tour. I really do appreciate you guys checking out this video. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to try to bring more videos possibly like this. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.